Hello everybody. So I continue recording of the series of the video how to make the porn game, and today we will work on my game on the bug fixing of one of my games, Sex on the Beach. All of the characters in this game are named, but for the YouTube I had to dress them, so I can put the video here, and you will have to watch them like this. Okay, so from the bug fixing, I have here the issue. I'll start from the issue that when I am sitting on the animal, the NPC are disappearing. So let's check it out. Let me see. Okay. As you can see, the character is dressed. Here are the NPC over here. Here is another one. Okay, nice. So they are dressed, and now I have to place here one animal. Where they are. Here, match for game. Animals. Where they are. Okay. So I have here animal dog and animal elephant. Browse to asset here, and I will place, for example, zebra. I love zebra. They're very nice, very smart, and very interesting, very curious animals. Okay, so we will use zebra today. I will remove this, I will watch up, and I will press play. So I will sit on the zebra and we will check what is going on with the NPC. Let me check. Fading. Okay, so where is my zebra? Where she is. I got it. I know what happened. The zebra has disappeared because when it is loading, the scene is loading, the level is loading, and many things are disappearing. So I have to put the plane under the zebra. So let's say it will be 2 per 2. Let's see, it's enough. No, 3 per 2. Okay. So I will put this. I will move this and this a little bit. That is a little bit up. Okay, so we will move zebra a little bit up, and we will move the plane a little bit up. Nice. Now she will appear. It will appear. She will appear. The animal will appear. The zebra will appear. Okay, so we will press play again, and let's check. Yes, as you can see, zebra is here. So the issue was with the level. Okay, hi zebra, how are you, darling? I'm clicking the F, and as you can see, everything has disappeared. Okay, very nice. So let me check what is going on. First of all, the issue would be because the issue with the level would be because the level has okay, load level. No. String level visibility. It is here, so we will open. And what is going on when we need to load the level? Here must be something. Line tracing command to load and unload level. Here it is. So interaction, spawn trigger, level, blah 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 blah. Nice. Spawn trigger. And what do we have with the animals? Open. and here it is. Excellent. So first of all, when I sit on the animal, it must load the tag. Let me check this thing. I remember that I was fixing this a few days ago. So show widget, no, this is no, it must be attaching character and possessing here, here, and so attaching the player, we are playing the montage. Okay, main player, where is it? MC interact, animal drivable, fixed position, event, stop interaction, no, stop following player, no. Okay, update widget, right? The play montage, possess widget. Oh, very interesting. Player enter. Stop montage, chat the main player, simplify, stop interaction, hide widget, so widget. Interesting. Set and reset the tag. Here. And overlapping. Remove. Great. And when I'm possessing the player, I'm ending overlapping. Excellent. It was excellent. Okay, so I have to copy this. And when I'm possessing, where is it? You see interact, blah, 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 blah. And here at the end, I will place this and we will take a look what is going on. So we have the tags here, drivable none. I have to set the tag number 1, index set, element tag, drivable. Be true. Remove the tag index. Spawn trigger. Default value. Okay, I want to see what is here. Print string. Print string. Okay, and I want get tag. Get tags. Get a copy. Get a copy, and here the index 1. Okay, let me see. So again, first of all, we have to find out why the tags, I know what, basically, I know why, because the tag is removing, but I need to see this. I need to see if when I'm entering the collider of the animal, if this tag is placing or not. If it is placing, everything is fine, because then I can add it on the place where I'm possessing the animal. Let me see. Very nice. Because I was born in this. So this is colliding, the activate movement. The collider is very big, so this is why I cannot see this. Okay, so we will do this blinding. Possession. Here at the end of possession, we will check it out. And here we will press the print string. And what I want to do, I want to say that I got it. Okay, get tags again. Get the copy. This must be placed in the section number 1. Very nice. Let's leave it for some time so we can see it better. Okay, so play again. All the day like this. Stop, play, stop. But this is very interesting, you know. I'm during all of this time that I'm working on this game, I always learning something new, and I love it. Okay, so we are running. Everybody's still over here. I'm pressing F to sit on the animal. And yes, everything is back. So the issue was that when I'm sitting on the animal, and basically because of this, I'm possessed by the animal, and because of this, everything was disappearing. So basically, this is fixed. This issue is fixed because I placed it over here. And after that, when I will get out from the animal, anyway, I will appear here in the collider, and because of this, it will work. Must work. Must work. So let's check it, because this is better to check it out than to guess. Okay, come on. So, running. I'm sitting on the animal. Let me check. Everything is over here. Everything is nice. Cool. Now I'm get out from the animal, and everything is still over here. Yes, because I'm entering the collider. When I stop possessing it, I'm entering the collider. So the issue with the animal is fixed. Okay, we will remove this animal and we will remove this plane from here. Fine. Now I have here another issue with the door. With the door and what is going on here with this door? Stop. Door. Did the blueprint. I want to open the full blueprint. Here is basically nothing. Event graph is nothing. Move this from here. Okay, what do we have? We have the front collider. Collision. Custom collision. And this is the start spawn. Okay, the interaction system. Interesting. Okay, let me check what is going on here. So, plan, begin play. This is not interesting. Close from front part. Close. No, we need open. Open door. Open door from the line trace. And this is the pre-interact. We are setting the sample character. We are setting the pre-interact. We are setting the set focus. Okay, and again, interruptible actor. We are setting the true. Open only the front door, true. So in front collision. Okay, we must open the door. In back collision false, in front collision true, and this is the viewport. What do we have here? This is the collision front. This is the collision back. Nice. Nice. Look like it's correct, but string here, string here. So here we have the back door. Here we have, no, here is the back door. And here is the front door. Front door, and again, we need something like this. And I really don't like this blue color because I cannot see this on the blue sky. So let me see. Let's check it. It has the very nice nature here, and the colors, the blue color of the ocean, the blue color of the sky, the blue color of the things, and then I'm not able to see the notifications, as you see, because everything is blue over here. And the notifications, if they are in the blue color, this is impossible to see. Okay. It says that I came from the front door. How is it possible? How is it possible? No? Take a look. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Nice. And if I'm coming from over here, it says the front door. And now it says the back door. How is it possible? Close it. Forget it. Okay, so we are coming. Front door. The back door. Very interesting. So something is going on with the collision. So let's see. The front door will be green, so we don't have to read it. We will just see the color. Okay, delay. So the interacting actor, the true interactable actor. And the interactable actor is setting by the set focus. And we have to see, okay, so set focus, this is easier. Now we have the line trace. The DAO is working on the line trace, and this is called the long interaction trace because this is reacting on the start spawn. And the start spawn in the door, we have the front collision, which says true, the start spawn, and the back is exactly the same. Query only, no physics collision, nice. Query only, no physics collision, nice. Excellent. So to see what is going on over here, I will do it very easily. I will just put the print string over here, allow the print strings, and placing them in all possible places. Let's make it lila. Nice, lila. And I want to see what exactly we are hitting. For example, over here. So let me check what exactly we are hitting. And at what moment, because it seems like it is not setting up the collision before we enter. Let me see when exactly the collision is not working. Okay. The visibility, level visibility, this is correct because we have to lower the level. We have all of those points. It's okay. Now I'm going over here. Do. I see the do 021. Look, it opened correctly. Come on again. So when I'm entering, where exactly is the line trace? So too much information for duration. Let me see where exactly is this line trace. Okay, line trace color, I will make it yellow. And when it's heating, it will be green. Because I have there also another line trace, which is just for the interaction, but let's see. Let's see what is here. Okay. So here is my line trace. Here is my line trace. When I'm entering, I'm hitting. Of course, I'm hitting because I'm hitting the. Okay. Wrong way. Again. Perceive heat, move around, clear. This is another bug which I have to fix, but this is not for right now. Okay, front collision. Height. Height. Continue. Save. File save and play again. Okay. So I'm entering the collider. No, still not in the collider. Now I'm in collider. And it's open. What the hell is going on with this collider? This one. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm right. Check this one and this one. Wait. Okie dokie. Come on, come on, come on. This is not the issue. When I come closer, nothing is going on. Okay. Okay, I'm coming the first time, nothing has happened. I'm coming the second time, the door is opening. Here. Close. The first time, nothing is happening. The second time, the door is open. Great. So something is wrong with the collision. When I'm entering the first time, the collision doesn't work. When I enter in the second time, the collision is working. So pre-interact, event. I pre-interact, event, pre-interact, sandbox character. What is working first of all? Set focus. Okay, so this one is showing the set focus, and we are setting up. So I will take this and put it over here. And this will be number one. Then I will take this and I will place it over here. And this will be number two. And we will see which one is working first of all. So we have to see which one is hitting. And I will turn this off. Otherwise I will forget it, as always. This is very nice when I'm doing the build. I just did the build, everything is okay. Then I'm testing what I built, if everything is working, and I see that I haven't switched off the line trace, some kind of notification, some kind of print strings. Very nice. Remove the build, make it again. So as always. Okay, let's see what is working first of all. Which number? Number two. Great. So it must work. We have set it up and we are entering the collision. And it doesn't want to work if I'm doing it like this. And the question is, the first time, because the interaction actor is if I will do this line trace, not the one, but let's say 50, if it will help me. Because it seems like the first time it know nothing about the interaction actor, and after that when I'm entering the second time, because it is happening in the same time, so I'm entering the collider which must open the door, and I'm setting up on whom exactly must react this collider. Yes, it was the issue. This is what I thought. So basically, because it was happening exactly the same, yes, it is working. Excellent. So I have to switch off. I guess that 50 is too much. So let me do it. 20, maybe, we'll see. We'll do this for duration and we'll take a look how long it is, because also it cannot be too long if the doors are too close to each other. It will not work like this. Okay, so again, I have to remove this, Now, what I have to do, I have to put back the collision. So here's the front collision, a little bit like this. Here's the back collision, a little bit like this. Very nice. Close component. Okay, I have to hide both of them, so we will not see. Come on. So you will not see them in the game. This is another thing which I'm forgetting all the time. To turn off and then have to rebuild the game again for uploading, because of course you cannot upload the game with the collisions. Okay, so I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, and I need this, and that's okay. So here is the door, and my question for right now is how long is the line trace, and if this is enough, this is long enough to to provide the information for the door before I actually entering the collider. So yes, I guess it will be fine. Yes, it's fine, it's okay. It's excellent. So the issue is fixed. Also, close, compile, save. Okay, for now we are done. Nice. Okay, our next task would be to add the additional settings to the settings menu. So here we have the window mode, resolution, graphic quality, and sound volume. But I also want to add the additional settings, which are the texture quality, the shadow quality, the view distance quality, anti-aliasing quality, and VSync enable disable. So everybody will be able to make their own setting to make the FPS better. Okay, so first of all, I have to go to the designer and I will have to copy how it is done. So this is the horizontal window. What do we have here? Size box. Okay, size box. Everything is done with the size boxes. So this is the window mode. No, the resolution. No, the graphic quality. Yes. So we are doing the Control D, and it will be the first one, which is say, I don't know the graphic quality, but I need the texture quality. Like this. Texture quality, the shadow, the key, the aliasing, and VSync. Okay, so here I'm just copying the texture, text is over here. Very well. Size box 8. What is this? What is it? Size box 8. Cool. Here the horizontal box size box. Fine. Texture quality. This will be the variable. Good. Now I need to make another one. So I will close this. Left, right, nice. So this one, I will duplicate this. Okay, and it would be the shadow quality. So I may changing the text. Opening, changing the text. Where is the text? Here is the text, and also I'm changing this one, because this is much easy to work with it if you see what exactly you're changing. Okay, so I will duplicate again this one, and we will set it out this for the view distance quality. Control C, view distance, shadow quality, view distance quality, and I will change the variable also, view distance quality, and I will make the distance also with the capital letter. Then we have, no, this is not. We have this one, and this is the anti-aliasing quality. So I will close, I will duplicate, and what do we have over here? We have the view distance. Control V, cool. So again, the name, anti-aliasing quality, fine. And what is the last one? The last one is the sync. And I guess this is enough, just like this. So Control D, and we have it over here. So first of all, we'll change the text, which is just like this. And also the variable, this variable. Control V. Fine, so compile and save. And for the vsync, we will have to add only the checkbox. It will not be those buttons. So let me see what we have to remove. I guess we have to remove size box left. That's what I don't need. The size block right. I don't need this also. What again? Placeholder. Horizontal box I will keep. And in the horizontal box, I'm adding the checkbox. So I need basically only the checkbox. What to do? To leave the horizontal box, I'll just remove this also. And leave only the we have the border. Border will keep. I have here the horizontal box. I have here the text. Okay. Text. I have here the vsync. Basically, I will remove this. Okay. Border. Nice. Nice. So here it has the border, here is this one. Okay, horizontal box. We will keep this horizontal box, I think. And also what I don't like, as you can see here, the text is bigger. So we will have to move all of those lines to the right. Right. This is the field. The toolbox is responsible for this one. Then we have this one. Then we have this one. And you will have to move this one to the right. Okay, so auto. This one is auto. This one is like this. Nice. View distance wallet. And I will sell this to auto. I see. Settings menu. Size X. Size Y. Canvas doesn't matter. This vertical box. Vertical box is auto. Nice. This is not what I need. So let's see. Doesn't matter. Okay. So if I will make all of them text boxes auto, it will not good, because then my menu will move like this. So I'll have to make another structure. Make another structure and only make those fields better, bigger. Bigger. Okay. Let me see. What else? Okay, we have to, no, also open. Nice horizontal box open, this one open, this one open, this also. I will open all of them. And if I will, no, if I will take all the text over here and we'll take a look what I can do. So for example, if I will do it like this, it will be in the middle. But again, this is not good because this thing is not moving. And this is not what I want. Exactly. So if placing them again over here, I need to move all of them over. I don't want to make another box because the easiest way to do this is just to add the vertical box, to add all of the text over here, and then just simply add all the text over there, and it will just fix the issue with the scale. But let me see. Vertical box. Vertical box. So for example, if I will add over here another vertical box, and in this vertical box, which is over here, I will put it like this and like this, and I will move, there is my text, this one no, but this one, window mode, and then I will put another vertical box to the settings menu, no, wrong position, Control Z. I need to add to the settings menu over here. So I will place into the settings menu another vertical box. Where hell is my vertical box? Here it is. Box into the vertical box. So. Fine. This is the correct place. But just it must be about the over here. Must be about this one. And then in this vertical box, which we will call vertical box buttons, and we have the vertical box, another one here, we have the vertical box text, like this. Nice. Okay, so let's close size and resolution into the vertical box text. Right. Right. Okay. Sorry. Don't fall down. Okay. We will find the best way, better way. Graphic quality, no. Texture quality, no. Where is view distance? This one, this one, this one, this one. Yes, in the second one. And here must be the view distance. Okay. You know, I have a solution. Okay. Okay, okay. Fine. Right. And the last one. And the last one is this one. Done. Fine. Okay. It's faster. I'm always looking for the solution, which would be the fastest. I follow this because I don't want to do everything from the scratch. It would be if I want to put them as I planned to do this, I would have to remake all of the menu, and I really don't want it to be. So basically, like this solution, it's working. It's working. What is the most important? It's working. So we go into the settings menu and let me see. Of course, this is not connected. This logic that it will not work. Okay, I will have to move this thing a little bit to the right because otherwise it is not looking good. So yes, 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 yes. We have to move this to the right. Let's stop it out. Okay, so what do we have over here? If I'll say the padding from the left, and I will do this for 20, 50, 40, better, really better. And what I need to do, I think it's okay. Horizontal box, the whole horizontal. And this background, what is it? This is the border. This is the border. And what if I will take off this border? What will happen? So I have here the padding, and let's say that from the right I will do this for 100. It is moving everything. Control C. Make two borders, just one in one. And for the whizzing, to make another border, let me check. Border. If I can spell it well, maybe I will find the border. So, I know, get out here. So whizzing, where is this one? And I can wrap it with border, maybe it will be better. And if my border over here will be the transparent, let's check. I need to be 0. Everything is transparent. And if I will put them all, okay, maybe the horizontal box is this one and this one. And this border, I don't need it to be inside of this border. I need it to be over here. I'm just setting out the second line. Okay, I'm sorry for interruption. Nice. Okay, I will think what to do with this one a little bit later. Right now, I just don't want it. Fine. So to check it out, check over here, to leave it. And what if I will add Everything, border. It's not so important for now. Nice quality shadow. Okay, what do we have here? What has appeared over here? Left button, right button, that's not so interesting. The graphics, simple size box. Okay, what do we have? Window mode, resolution, majority settings. Where are my buttons? Here is my checkbox. Okay, left button, right button. Graphics. Over here. What do we have? We will have to rename also the buttons, all of the buttons. So, okay, let's go from the beginning. First one is this one. What is it? This is resolution. No, the graphic quality keeps the same. The texture quality here, we have to rename the buttons here. And it will be the texture left button. And we have the texture right button. Okay, here it is. Texture right button. Fine. What else? Placeholder, right button. Okay, the next one is the shadow quality. So we have the shadow, and again we have the buttons. So I have left button, and I have here left button shadow, right button shadow. Okay, then we have the distance, view distance, and we have the left button view distance here, the right button view distance. Next one is anti-aliasing. Everything the same, just renaming the buttons. Okay, and I guess the last one would be here, this one. Okay, we have the VSync. I just want to rename the checkbox like this VSync. So in the, if I will take a look in the here in this, here it is. Oh, fine. Okay, now we have the event graph, and for all of the buttons, we have the settings and we have the buttons. So I will move all of this all the way down because this is only for the, for making settings and for saving settings. This is not what I need. We have over here, as you can see, for all of them, for the left button click, for the right button click. Let's do this for the shadow. So we are adding, unclicked, the right button shadows, unclicked, cool, move it up over here, and it will be the shadow settings, and this one would be the white color, and I need this, the notification. Very well. Very well. Select audio. Okay, so we need the settings for this. Okay, so first of all, we have to get the settings which we have. Nice. So what do we have here? We have the, which one is the first? Texture quality. Get texture quality. and I will promote this to variable, and it will be the texture quality. My name, get. Okay, here. Then I need to get the shadow, get shadow quality, and promote it to variable. And it will be the shadow. The next would be like this. The next, what else? View distance. Get view distance. The next is anti-aliasing. Get. And we have to move all of this bridge. Okay, this one is connected with this one. This one will be promote to variable, and it will be view distance. View distance. It will be over here. This one would be is move promote to variable, and it will be anti-aliasing. It will be over here, and for the vsync we will need enable or disable. Is vsync enable? Promote to variable. And this will be the new variable, which is called vsync. Yes. Okay. So we will set it over here, we'll set this over here, and now I have to make this nicer because like this it looks horrible. Q, we are going down. Now all of this over here, Q, we are going up. Very nice. And just have to make all of those things more or less be better because it was looking really horrible. Okay, so more or less that's okay. Save. Now what do we have over here? Okay, let's make the settings. So we have the two buttons, and will be for the, what is this? This is for the shadow. So basically all of this will be the same. So if we have the shadow, where is my shadow quality? I'm getting the shadow quality. I'm doing here will be the minus, subtract, here will be add. Okay, we are adding one, we are subtracting one. I will set it over here, and I will set it, where is it? Set it over here. Okay, and do this a little bit bigger. So if I need clump integer, and we have the value, it will go from 1 to 4. It will be exactly the same, so I can copy and paste. I will put it over here. This one is going over here. And we are going from 0 to 4. Excellent. And then we have to set shadow. It will not work like this. I will have to take the game user settings. So I'm taking the game user settings over here, taking the game user settings over here. Why I'm doing this here? Because I need this to be saved immediately. And basically because of this, and now I set shadow quality. So basically I'm setting the shadow quality exactly the same over here, because when the player when the user will click the button, I want him immediately to save this. And this is why I'm doing it so like this. Okay, so basically this is the same as over here. Apply non-resolution settings. So like this. Apply non-resolution settings, apply non-resolution settings. And basically I needed to go from here and here to make it safe. Check for command line override without it. Use this one. Easier. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this. Wait, and this one. Okay, and we will set it all over here. So basically, immediately when you are making changes, they will be changed directly, and you will not have to wait for press apply and so on. So basically, you'll be able to see the changes immediately while you are doing them. So it was the idea, and I just want to click Q here. I need to also click Q just to make it look better. Nice. Okay, so for the shadows I did it. Now we'll do the same, we'll repeat the same for all of the buttons. So basically I have here shadow the texture, on click the right button. Where is the right button? Texture on clicked. We have the view distance, left, right. We have the volume no, windows no, aliasing clicked, aliasing clicked. What was again? So we have the texture, the shadow, the view distance until VSync. And VSync will be the checkbox. So checkbox VSync. That was changed. Nice. So we have the texture, we have the view distance and the aliasing, and this one. I hope all of them are here. So let's move them up, all the way up. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. So it will be see the texture settings. Here is the view distance settings. White, what's this one? Over here the same, we're changing the color to white, make it a checkbox. Here this is the anti-aliasing settings, the same, say over here, and this is the VSync settings, and exactly the same, changing the color. I don't like why the Unreal has changed this to this gray color with the transparency. I really don't like it. So I'm changing I'm changing all of this to the white, because like this I can see it better. Nice. So let's make this window bigger and let's continue. So here we are making the setting for the texture. Exactly the same, going to the initialize. I have the texture quality over here. So texture, where is it? Here it is. Get it. Cool. And as I have it all the same, so I will do this like this to not make the headache with all of the settings, to not make them again. So just be the copy paste. It will be over here, it will be over here, and now of course we have to change the shadow for the texture. Texture over here, texture over here. Look at it. Second, and it's done. Cool. Now let's connect this also. No, don't move, but connect. Okay, I will connect it over here. Now move this a little bit down, this also, this will make bigger. And the same, copy and paste. Basically, for this one, exactly the same. Copy and paste over here. Now this will go over here, this will go, okay. And we are setting the, what are we setting here? We are setting here the view distance. So I will just get the view distance, connect those, connect this one and this one, move this one down. Okay, set the view distance here, set the view distance. No, this no. View distance here. Okay, this one is done. Now this one, I'm connecting. Not moving again, but connecting. Connect this one and connect this one. And I guess that this one is anti-aliasing. Get over here, replace this one. I will replace this one. Nice. So over here and over here. Sorry, baby, sorry. Very well. And the last one, I guess that with this one, I will do it very easy. I will do this with a flip-flop. So we have the two settings over here. So we have, if the first setting, again, this will not remain, we sync. Moving. So I will set this to true. Unclicked. To true. Let me see, maybe I even don't need this. No, I'm going to print string. Because for this one, I really want to see what is going on. Honestly, I never did it before. So it was just, this is just my guessing what I will do. Entity. Okay, compound, save. And of course, I guess that I will not see any settings over there because of course my buttons, they don't have any information over there. So how we will do this. We have the get resolution text. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So I guess that it will be exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes. Okay, I'm going over here and for the placeholder, where is it? The texture. So the first one will be over here, the same as it is over here. So just have to make the bend, create bend. And this bend is very easy because we are making the switcher and I don't need this return node, but I need this return node, and it was for the graphics. Yes. Why? I know why. And will not be the graphics, but it will be the texture. Again, I haven't changed it, doesn't matter. Texture quality. So we are over here, and if this is like this, it will be like this, and we will remove this execution pin. Nice. Now I'm going to the designer because really here, as you can see, it says the graphics and it's not correct. It must be the texture. And this must be the shadow and this would be the view distance. And this one would be the anti-aliasing, and this is the checkbox. The checkbox is done, the placeholder sound volume is done. Okay, so the second will be this one, and if I will create the bind, it is already created with the correct name. So basically it was my mistake over there that I haven't changed it before. So exactly the same, remove this one, put this one, connect this one. Let's see. And here is the shadow, so we are placing the shadow over here. Very nice. Hue, maybe better. Let me see. Okay. Well, let's say it would be like this. Fine. Basically, nobody see this. So, and of course, I will not get back to this, to the settings after. So if we will think about it, it doesn't matter at all. But I really like when it look good. So I place this one, you know, smart. Let's do it smart. If I want it to be nice from the beginning, so I have to just copy paste it. Nice, no? I also think so. So here it is, here it is. Keep it like this. Okay, the next one is the anti-aliasing, the same. We are creating the bind. We're removing this one, place this one, and connect the settings. So we will check that our menu. Okay, basically I guess it was the last one because we will not put any name for the checkbox. Confirm, save. Let's see what do we have over here. I hope that everything is connected. Let's check it out. If we will not try, we will not know. Right? I think so. So we have the button P, we're going to the settings, and everything is set up to the high, and the vsync is not done. So I'm making this checkbox, and you can see this is changed for true, so everything is working perfectly. I don't need any other settings, just to remove the frame string. And if I'm clicking, I see the medium, low, medium, low, medium, low, medium, low, medium, low. The graphics quality, over here, preparing shaders. And as you can see, this is working because immediately my computer has started, as you can see here on the right side, my computer has started to prepare the shaders because I have changed the graphic quality. And we'll have to wait. Okay, I'm applying the settings, I'm going back, I'm clicking continue, and as you can see, this really has changed because the quality of all of the thing has changed. So our menu is working, and this is great. But I will go back and I will make it again to the high quality. Again, we are switching the shaders. As you can see, I'm switching the shaders over here. So basically this is working, and this is excellent because for somebody who just don't have the very strong computer with a lot of space and so on, they will be able to make their own settings. Okay, nice. This one, what is going on with this one? Apply, back, continue. The quality is back, and this is very nice, but I'm not sure, but this is not saving. This is not saving. Okay, why it is not saving? Let's check. Ooh, that's great, that's great. So first, I don't need those texts. Texts are working. So we will close the tabs to the right. Initialize. I don't need anything in the initialize because this is already done. I don't need the audio for settings. I don't need the volume. I just need over here. So first of all, we will remove this because this is not, I said remove this because this is not necessary. Here, why it is not saved? Because I haven't connected this to saving, but it seems that I have another issue over here. Apply non-resolution talk. Text is not entering. Trying to read property of a phone game settings. Return for all of this, and this just don't want to save the panel settings. Very nice. Get game user settings. Nice. Get game user settings. So we will check it from the other end. First of all, I will have to connect this one because this Control-C, Control-V. So first of all, copy this one. Then we will set vsync, enabled, and we will connect this one. Then I will connect this one here. No, don't move. Connect. Okay. Connect this. It's a very interesting question is why? Maybe it will be enough just to make the save settings, but let me check another thing. I will clear this. I will place this. I'm just very curious if this is another thing which has changed, because sometimes the Unreal is making very unexpected things. So the thing what was working yesterday may not work today. So let me check. So we have the settings for the all settings, for example, like for the quality, right? And immediately we have this return that it does not recognize the game user setting. Very nice, excellent. So for example, the resolution is working, and the window the same, clear. Okay, nice. So what does it mean? It means that I will have to do another thing which I really love to do. So before make any settings, we will validate if we have the valid game user settings. Let me see, is valid. Check for is valid, and if this is valid, we will continue. And we are doing about the Windows mode. Okay, the Windows mode, set up full screen. Yes, it was exactly on the Windows mode. It started to give me the error, mistake. Nice. So I'll connect this one, I will connect this one, I will set this one, and we will see what will happen. And to make sure, that it is valid, because otherwise, no, it will not be valid, it will not make any settings for us, right? So 22 seconds, save, and again we will press play and we will see what will going on. It's a little bit cold over here, not too much, but a little bit cold. So I'm pressing the P, I'm going to the settings, I place this. Look at it. Windows, full screen, no mistakes. Get game user setting with clear. Again, full screen, Windows, and nothing, and no errors, and no mistakes. Apply, back. Okay, so we'll have to put this for everything. After I updated to the, as you can see, this is valid and everything is fine, but it just wanted this check. After I updated to the 5.5, and this issue began to appear. And this is what I really don't like, because in every place you just have to put this is valid, is valid, is valid, is valid. And after that, it's showing that it's valid. But before you put this is valid, it's just saying, oh, I don't know, what is it? So I just don't recognize this. I cannot recognize this. stupid things, but what to do? Okay, so over here I will make me some place over here, some space. I will make some space for me over here. I have so many nodes here because I immediately want to save the changes when you are making them. So basically even before you press the button apply, the settings will be changed. Otherwise, I can stop just on this, basically on this place to set it up. And after that, to set it all here on, by the way, I will have to add it also over here, to add the saving also here. But my thing, you know, I just want it to be like this. So this is the reason why we have so many settings, so many nodes here, and they are repeating. I know this is not very nice looking, not very nice, but basically I want it to work like this, so it must be. Oh. Remove, save. Now it's valid. Now remove. Resolution, where is my resolution? This is very long ago that I did this. Now this menu, and look, much better, much better. Okay, so basically I can do exactly the same with all of them, and I don't have to duplicate all of those stupid things. So here. Now we will connect this one. We will press the key button just to connect those. And here we have the full screen mode. So what is it? The window mode. Window mode over here. So like this one is done, this one is done, then it will be better. So I don't need this, I just need this. Just connect it over here, this one. So it's better to change it right now. Graphic settings. Here is the graphic index. Get. Haven't connected it. Okay, so I will move this over here, and I will move this one over here. So this is done also. Nice. The same over here, and I haven't placed the, I know. Valid. Nice. So is valid. Okay, so then continue over here. So continue and set area volume. Okay, for this one I will leave it like this. Now shadow quality. Game user settings, again the same. So again, place over here, connect this one to this one, Control V the validation. Okay, over here, and now I will need the shadow quality to place it over here. Fine. Now exactly the same over here. So basically, yes, I'm doing the same thing twice, but it will look nicer, and we will take off a lot of nodes because basically they are unnecessary completely. Texture. Okay, so like this. Now we will get off this one, we'll remove this one, I'll connect this one. So I'm placing the validation node again. Okay, connect this, connect it. Of course not. Connect. Nice. Here I need the view distance field. Oh. Yeah, we have exactly the same. So Control V, I will move this down, this over here, and over here. Pressing the key, connecting this one, and now we need the anti-aliasing over here. Fine. So, check, connected. And the last thing is the validation also for the VSync. Let me check it out. Okay, nice. Compile and save. What is here? Target resolution. Take it up. Okay, compile and save. Nice. So as you can see, everything is much better now. Look better. Looks really better. So this is in the middle. So basically I will put it here, place it over here. Now the last thing, we need to save all of those settings when you click the button apply, just for any case. So I will, oh no, I will move all of the things over here. And what I need to do, I need to texture get. Okay, let's do it smarter. Wrong button. I love those hotkeys on the keyboard, so you don't have just to lose a lot of time. You just use the hotkey, and that's it. So we set texture, set texture quality. Here I already have the shadow quality, the texture quality. Now we need to save, set view distance quality. We need to set, oh no, we need to set anti-aliasing, and we need to set, what else? Come on, we need to set the VSync enabled. Okay, now I'll have to connect again all of those nodes together. First of all, okay, now we will just Q button to put all of them. Beautiful. Done. Okay. This and this, and now I'll connect this one, I'll connect this one, and I will connect the last one, everything. And again, I will put all of those nice too, because it looked really bad. What do we have here? Forward the back button on click event. I have no idea what is it, and I really don't want to check it now, so I will just give it some kind of another color, okay, because I need to check it out what it is, but right now I just don't want it to be. So I'll mark this with the red color, so you can see with the red color. Come on, I'll move it a little bit up so I will see that. No, don't, but I said move. Cool. I'll check later. What's this? So what is it? We have it has nothing in common with this. We have connected everything over here. We have connected everything over here. And now what do we have to do? We have to check if we don't get again this this error message for the not valid. If I did it all and if I connected it all. Shall we press play? Good. Equality, epic. Hi. Mark and hi. Okay, no mistakes. So okay, save and stop. And my mistake is another one, as always. over here, over here. I don't know why I'll remove this, but I will add this again. So over here, and last, I guess, the last one is this one. Nice. Compile and save. So it was for the okay, nice. Close tabs to the right, compile, save, and this task is also done. Everything is working, everything is connected. It's just the last thing. Connected. Great, so I can close this also. Okay, so another task is done. Today's work going really very well. I love how it is going, so I will continue. Okay, so let's continue. First of all, we will make coffee. So if somebody wants coffee, welcome. You can drink it with me. I have here the excellent coffee machine. We save me during the working day, and working night, and working evening, and working morning. Okay, so let's make a coffee. And it's very loud. Next, what I want to do the next, I will show you what I can change a little. So if I press the L on my keyboard, I can see the FPS over here, how it is changing, how it is working. And on the right side, I guess, of this FPS, I want to add the settings icon. And if I will click on it, I want to again open the settings menu. So people, when they will make changes, basically they will be able to see what exactly they are doing. Because right now the settings menu are on a different page, and of course you can do this. You can enter from the menu to this page. But over here, when you're making some kind of changes, you want to see what exactly you are doing. So you'll just not be blind at this. And now, what do we have to do? We will have, first of all, to find out where exactly this FPS is showing. So I guess it was on the main screen. Sure, but I think it was there. It was even on the hood. So, blueprints, gameplay, yes, I guess it was over here. And then, no, this is not. Where exactly is my menu? Here it is, the hungry, readme, controls. Okay, let's find out the main one. Food. Okay, this is the crouch, this is my home menu. Viewport. It's not this one. Which one is this one? Control, no. Images, no. This one, no. Widget swimming, no. Main widgets. Controls, readme, hungry. Ready for. Okay, let's do it on the other way because you see that I'm not able to find it like this. Where do I have it? I have the player input, and in the player input, I need to find where exactly I have this L button. If it will not be player input. What is it? No, what is it? Life cycle will not be there. Sure. Nice. Okay. Okay. We have here the input, change camera, time, crouch, dive up, dive down, interact, jump, look, menu. Maybe, but I guess it will be the P letter. Next sharp, the shift, sprint, strafe. Switch players with rotation mode, traversal, block, zoom, sandbox. Okay, I'm using this. Mm. Menu. No, it's not. Expand. No. Even like this, no. This will not be. Diver down, no. Mobile, no. Zoom in, reset. Background. Handle brake, steering. Zoom in, change camera, abstract, interact. No. Crawl, jump, sprint, walk. Look, 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 look. It's very interesting. So interesting. Where the hell is letter L, which I'm clicking to show the menu? Okay. It's a lot of time when I did it, and I really honestly, I don't remember. Okay, let's find out what do we have over here. So here we have the laptop. Okay. Here we have I to change the look of the character. Okay. And maybe event graph, tab, letter T. Tell me, please. Am I crazy? That's impossible. It's just impossible. Okay, what do we have here? Enter, accept visibility or control the branch. Okay, it was the chat menu. Nice. It must be here. It's just must be here. Okay, FPS. Nothing. No. Lose so many time to find this thing. I cannot even imagine anything worse. Change camera, zoom, zoom in, menu, second, jump, jump. Okay, what is it? Okay. Hold on. Okay, T, I know where is the T. So she's hiding all of this. A second. How it can work? FPS. That will be also. So what can manage this? It can manage gameplay, player controller, and this can be the character. The two things. It is not over here, I'm sure, because this is just the main character and I haven't changed him. So it cannot be over there. Now, Okay. Maybe. It's impossible, but anyway. This one, no. Here is no. Good. What else? Sure, the settings. Also, no. Get resolution, get window. Manipulations. Find reference. My name. But this is not hood. Just only to add to the viewport, but it is not what I'm looking for. Run begin play, no more events. Okay, so close this one. I was looking for this one, the graphic. Begin play, change, stop. No, this is not stop. I want safety and submit, show, enhance input. Yes, I know what is it. Change. No, this is not. So I can close this one also. Again, what do we have here? The gameplay. It's very strange if it would be over here, but I'll just check it out. Of course not. This is logical. It couldn't be over here. The gameplay also over here. Also impossible, but just in case, if I'm completely not understanding what is going on. Okay, again, how the hell is open this menu? Chat panel. Here it is not. Reset, progress, update. What is it? Set visibility, set hidden. Okay. That is not. Follow me interaction chat message. No, it's not. Widgets. Base menu. Boot screen. No. Oh, wait a second. FPS. Yes, I found it. This is the widget blueprint, and this is this blueprint. Ha! I did it. Okay, ta-da-da-da, we did it. Here it is. So at the M counter, okay, and what if we will just also create, let me check. No, wrong decision. So after the letter L, we will just create a menu, and into this menu, I simply, not this one, this is not what I need, over here. The canvas, the horizontal box, okay, and into this horizontal box, I will just add the image. Where is it? The image. Adding the image inside, right? It will be on the right side, nice. And into this image, I will just add the settings. We have the settings over here, and this is too big. Okay, how big is this one? The 24. So maybe if I will do this 25 or 25, let me check. Nice. We will fill this, and horizontal box size 50, size 175, 200, maybe 200, 250, no, 200. Okay, it was 175, it's 25, yes, 200. Settings, so text block, let me check how it will look like. So just to see how it will look like. Basically, the wrong decision because I need this as a button. Anyway. And then I match the button. But let me see. Oh, sorry. Okay, L. Bad. Nice. So let me do this correctly because I did it wrong. So let me do this like this. We are adding the button over here, right? And into this button, we are adding the image. And this image will be the button is like this, and I need it to be the white, this is, it is. Okay, so white, and over here, I will do this like this, better. And we will do this 30 or 30, no, 30, better, no? 40, maybe 40, no? Okay, compile, save, and let's press play again, because first of all, I need to change the size, make the size exactly as they want it to be, and then I will add the clicking function. The coffee is really good. It's just the black coffee without anything, without the sugar, without the milk, without anything. Yes, and let's add the padding from the left side, so it will be on the side a little bit, because right now this is too close. So we will add, for the bottom, we will add the padding from the left side, and let's say 10. I guess it will be enough. Compile, save, play. Very good coffee. This is the really cool machine. It's making the really perfect coffee. I just have to be the better owner and to clean it more better, but it's perfect. Okay, so for now, I'm satisfied with what I see. And what I need to do, I want to add that if I'm clicking on this button, on click, and on click, I need to do the following. I guess that I will do this. I will do this. Let me see. Flop, maybe. And what would we do? We will add the following. Create widget, create widget, and we need to create get player controller. We'll create the widget, and the widget is called, let me check again how it's called, this widget. I guess it's settings, but just in case. Settings. Yes, this is the settings menu. We will promote this to variable, and we will make this variable to the settings menu, and I will set through the boolean menu is open. Menu open. We'll set it to true. Okay, and over here we will get menu is open. Get branch. Don't need the branch. If the menu is opened, false. If it is false, we will create a menu. And if the menu is not open, we will create a menu. And if the menu settings menu get is valid, and if the menu is created over here, we will remove from parent. Here it is. We will remove from parent. Let's make it comma, over here and over here, like this. Remove from parent, and we will set the menu open to false. Now let me check if this is working. What do we have over here and how it looks like? So I'll add to viewport. I forget to add this one. Yeah, add to viewport. So return value, we add into the viewport, the counter, remove from parent, blah 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 blah. Cool. So and we are adding this menu to the viewport. Check if it is working. This one will save also. So looking up. It's loading much faster, by the way, when I'm looking up into the sky. Nice. So click on the L. I'm getting the FPS. I will have to click the tab on my keyboard. And then what do we have here? Right. Nice. Back. Back doesn't work. So first of all, I will have to connect to the back that it must be just close. This, and if I'm closing this, yes, I'm able to open and I'm able to close. So right now we have to go to this settings menu and just change the settings for the back. Maybe I will not open this. How to do this? How to do this? How to do this? It doesn't have. I just don't want to duplicate this menu because this is loading perfectly. It looks really good, but just this button back will make the issue. And this is what I don't want to be. Widgets and main menu. No, the settings menu. Okay. And here we have the back button. This is important to have this back button if you are going from the main menu. We will go to the previous page. We will go to the previous page. And what if we will just, where is this back button? Apply button. Hold on, maybe it was this. Yes, it was this. Call on clicked back. Nice. Call on click back. Hold on. Okay. What if we will just build settings menu. Hold on. Build here. Build event on click back. Here. Okay, custom event. Let me check if it will work. Maybe yes, maybe no. Over here. Well, save. And now, if we will go to the FPS counter, and let me check if I'm able. Click back, forward, back button on click event. This is good. Click back. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. There is no reference to this. There will be no reference to this. There will be no reference to this, and they don't want to do this with cost. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. It is working, but this is not what I need. Okay, nice. So we will get widget. Never mind. FPS counter. We will get a copy. We will get a copy. We will check if this is valid. Because if this is not valid, it doesn't matter at all, by the way. So, come on. Okay, now, nice. If this is valid, and if this is valid, we will remove from parent. Here it is. No, we will call close menu. Why? Because we have to remove from parent, we have to set up the boolean for to the false and so on. So basically like this, it is better. Nice. Also, I don't need this to be red because I already know what is it doing. So we can save this, and now we will check if it is working. So again, clicking the play button and let me check. Okay, so we have, first of all, the P button. When we're going to the settings and we're clicking back, it is working. I click continue, everything is working. Remove. Nice. What was removed? I have no idea. Now, L, tab. I'm opening the menu, I'm clicking back, and the menu is loading. And you just click this button again to, and everything is fine. So basically, I'm able to hide all of this. I can again click on this menu, back, like this, and again to hide the menu. Everything is working, so I have the solution. But here is also one trick, because this is working also in the local player. Basically, I need this on the local player. I don't need the multifunction for the multiplayer. Okay, I will leave it like this, and we have the close menu. So basically, it will work for this part, and this will work for this part, and we are good. You know, we are really, really good. So I can close all of this, and I can close all of this. Okay, guys. So let's continue. Okay, so now we did the menu, what is great, but we have to take a look if menu is doing something, because right now we can see basically the changes. And now we'll check if some changes are happening. Because the thing was to give the the clients the opportunity to make the changes and basically to see what they change. So let's take a look. Okay, the quality is all for the high. Now let's make it medium low. Okay. What happened with the text medium? But why this is jumping with the shadows? It don't have to touch the shadows in case if I'm doing this. Very interesting. Let's take a look. Okay, so we have the buttons, texture settings. Basically, I was changing the audio. Okay, what do we have over here? The graphic settings, the overall color. Okay, there's shadow settings. Nice. What do we have here? This texture setting. Set texture quality. Do you see what I did? I just, in all places, I just added the shadow settings. So this is why when I was doing the settings, it was just changing the shadow all the time. You don't have to do this. Right, here, what do we have here? The view distance. So we set view distance. Oh, guys. I'm the bug maker, you know? Just on the straight way, I just did the bug. And we set the anti-aliasing. You know, this is good that I was making the menu also this this icon for the settings. That's great, because if I would not do this, I'm more than sure that that I wouldn't be able to see this, to find this. Okay, so anti-aliasing, yes. The view distance, yes. The texture, yes. The shadow, yes. Yes, resyncing, yes. And what do we have here? Texture quality, view distance quality, anti-aliasing quality, yes. Okay, so basically with these settings, what I have done, I was just overriding the same thing million times. Now let me check again. So after we did these changes, let me see what we have done. Oh, bug maker. You're watching right now the bug maker. Okay, so let me see, like this we will see it better. I'm clicking on the L, I'm clicking on the tab, so I will leave it. Now, what do we have? The graphic quality low, and I want it to be medium. And the texture, I want to be medium and high. And as you can see, this, it doesn't touch the shadow. The shadow. Does it change something? Low, no shadow. This is what I need. Medium, low, medium. The medium is overriding the shadow. So I have to check the quality, the graphic quality again. Because if you can, oh yes, the graphic quality is changing all the graphics. So this is why it is changing it to the shadows also. So basically, if I will make the graphic quality, this is making for the all of this. So I will do this for the medium, but if I will change again back to the medium and now to the low, I will remove the shadows. And the view distance, what is doing with the view distance? Yes, perfect. This is changing the view distance and this is changing the FPS also. As you can see over here, if you will take a look here with this distance, and I'm making this lower, and you can see that things are disappearing. Nice. Almost all of them has disappeared. Good. So let's send to the medium. Now the anti-aliasing, what do we have over here? We have the low. Make it bigger. Okay, the ultra. The FPS is also changing, so basically we can play with this. You can play with this, and thus you can make the settings. As you can see, the changes are already visible over here. The only thing which was overriding all of them, it was the shadows quality. Okay, this is jumping from the 47 to 37, something like this. Okay, so just to play with those settings, and I guess that it could be really good thing. Fine, right now I will leave it like this. Search, have notifications over here. Okay, cool. So back, we can close this, we can close, no, we can close this, we can close this, everything is working. Fine, that's great that I have tested it. Okay, so the last thing which I really don't like with this menu, I was just looking on the testing again, and the last thing which I really don't like is this checkbox, basically this checkbox, because this is just ruining all the design, and I don't like it. So what I would do, I will replace, because here it all of these things, let me close all of them. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, I don't need all of them. Here it is. So this checkbox, which is over here, I'll just replace with the size box, Control C, and I will paste it over here, because it really look bad. So we don't need the volume, but it will be the left button, VSync, and then will be the right button, VSync. I will just do it the same as this is working for the other one, and that is all, because like this it will keep the design the same and it will look much better. Okay, so we are doing for this. Now for the placeholder, I just need to make the bind, create the binding, the volume again. Where is it? Here it is. VSync text, Ctrl V. And what I would do, I guess, the boolean true or false. Okay, so it will be much easier. So I will get it over here. I will take the branch, and if this is true, so it will set up over here. If this is false, it will be set up over here, and it will be the off, and this will be the on. That's it. So that's it with this one. Now what I need to do, I will have to close this. I have the VSync over here, so I will leave me some place, and I have to click the right button, VSync. Come on. Left button, VSync. Compile. And what is going on? Oh, you know, now you can see that I'm a little bit tired, because I'm always doing the stupid mistakes when I'm tired, and like this blah 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 for so many hours. it's a little bit tired. Okay, so what do we have here now? Very easy, very easy. I don't need the checkbox. I just need to do it as follows. So if I'm clicking the left button mouse, I'm just switching it off. If I'm clicking the right button mouse, I'm just turning it on. And that is all. And we are connecting this with the game settings. We are connecting this to the validating. We are enable set VSync enabled, and so on. And now for setting the VSync enable, I will just get again this VSync. To make it correctly, I will remove this one, and I will move all of this above. Okay, I will make this smaller, and I will move this section higher. So okay, now FPS, this may be closed. I will add it over here, this one. And what else I need to do? I have to just completely remove this checkbox, because this checkbox is completely unnecessary. Okay, compile, save, and now let's see what we have done, if we have fixed this issue, because it was really like looking very bad. It was just like bad. Basically, this is the easiest way to fix this. So let's see. We have clicked on the L button. As you can see, I replaced also the icon over here. So now it looks my off. Okay. On. Off. On. Cool. This is working. Okay, guys. So for today, I think this is over. Thank you for all of you who was with me during all of this time. And if you watched this video till the end, so please give me the like button so I will see how many people are watching those videos till the end. And if this is interesting for you, if I have to continue recording such videos, so no, maybe this is too boring for you. So guys, love all of you. A huge kiss and see you next time.